Great job, Tini! Oh, no!
He's gonna blow! She's gonna blow!
Is that a knife? Everyone, run.
Oh no! Oh! Andy's coming, everybody! Back to your places, hurry!
Yup, he's here.
Everybody, take cover! Hide! Now! Oh my god, guys, we gotta go! THX is here! Hurry! Oh my god, I can't! Hey, I gotta go!
Run!
To get out of here before we starve! Uh-oh, Scratch DVD's coming! Oh, I gotta hide!
What happened?
You guys okay?
Sure, as long as you define okay as massive agony.
The police station!
Intel, you're under arrest.
It's all Aunt Teeny's fault! We did!
That's better. Finally. What a relief.
I gotta say, all this noise has really worked up my appetite.
Thank you.
Boy, I'm glad all that's over.